those areas. We haven't been able to show you that. But the Mackinac City Cam is back online, but it's just encased in ice there at the Mackinac Bridge this evening. And that's a look around northern Michigan. It's a dreary day. We started with some snow. We had some areas a little bit of a glaze on the roadways with a little bit of freezing rain earlier today. And you can kind of see that. This is what has rolled through northern Michigan after a lot of sunshine yesterday. There's the snow. And now we have continued to warm up. And so we do have a little bit of rain and a little bit of kind of a wintry mix in some spots. So here's a little closer look right now. So where you see the pink shaded areas, Houghton Lake, Crawford County, into areas around Gaylord, Lewiston, for instance, areas around Maya, we're still looking at some sleet and freezing rain there, but around Cadillac, Traverse City, just showers. And then up around Drummond Island, a little bit of snow coming down. Across parts of the
that means it's pretty close to here. It's maybe 4 or 5 hours.
But tomorrow,
maybe
another bit of a break. We end up in the 40s.
Maybe 7 or 6 hours from here.
It's going to be a blustery, windy day tomorrow, but some spots will see a little sun. Much more on that, and we'll look ahead toward the weekend in a couple minutes. Well, first at 5.
Asking that people do what they can to stay safe, check on one another if they're able, but we don't want a lot of people getting out on the road using precious fuel that we don't have enough of still at the moment.
That's the plea tonight from Governor Whitmer to a region still reeling from the impacts of weekend storms. The road to recovery will likely be a long one, and for many, that hasn't even started yet.
The governor put 12 state counties under a state of emergency and hinting she is expected to speak with the president to ask for federal dollars to speed the recovery. Take a listen, touching on the sheer scale of the damage these storms left in their wake.
It's unlike anything we've ever seen. As I talked with, people who've lived in that particular home or that particular part of the state their whole lives, the refrain that I continue to hear over and over again is, I've never seen anything like this. So,
hey, when are we going to be back to the weather?
I think a lot of work
in 5 or 10
ahead of us
minutes.
to
Stop it
recover
until
from
we
this
do.
and to articulate the depth and
that
breadth
means
of the
5.
damage
That means it'll be 5:12 or 5:07.
5:05 or 5:07.
But you said 5 minutes, not 3.
And National Guard assisting with road clearing. The National Guard is expected to help with welfare checks.
I'm just going to record it for my Facebook.
You'll find the full interview with the governor on our Up North Live YouTube page.
Meantime, tens of thousands still in the dark with no heat tonight, with utility crews scrambling to repair or replace miles of iced-over power lines. At this moment, this is where we stand. Take a look. Around 100,000 statewide going without power for another day. Between consumers and Great Lakes Energy, Emmett County has more than 17,000 outages, topping 2,000 in Charlevoix County and more than 13,000 in Otsego. 2,000 plus customers in the eastern UP still in the dark as well.
What happened?
Fuel shortages affecting Sault Ste. Marie tonight.
What'd you do?
Michigan State Police said with the Mackinac Bridge closure.
Stop doing it. Stop it.